Your doors are more than just entryways, they're one of the most important features of your home's security. For Coppell homeowners, where peace of mind and family safety are top priorities, upgrading your doors and ensuring they're installed properly is one of the smartest investments you can make. While many people focus on alarms or cameras, the strength and installation quality of your doors play an equally critical role in keeping your home secure. Here's how expert door installation helps protect your Coppell home. Proper fit for maximum protection. Even the strongest door won't deliver full protection if it isn't installed correctly. Gaps between the frame and the door, misaligned hinges, or loose locks all create vulnerabilities that intruders can exploit. Professional installers ensure that every door fits precisely, with reinforced frames and tight seals. By eliminating weak points, expert installation makes it much harder for someone to force their way into your Coppell home, giving you an extra layer of protection. Reinforced hardware and locking system security starts with the details. A high-quality door paired with reinforced locks and strike plates provides far greater protection than a standard setup. Expert installers don't just hang a door, they also make sure that deadbolts, hinges, and hardware are installed to maximize strength. Many modern doors can be fitted with multi-point locking systems, which secure the door at several points along the frame. With professional installation, these systems work exactly as intended, offering superior resistance to tampering or forced entry. Durable materials that withstand forced expert door installation also ensures you get the most out of your door's construction. Modern entry doors are built from durable materials such as steel, fiberglass, or solid wood composites, which are far more resistant to impact than older, hollow-core designs. When installed by professionals, these doors not only perform better against intruders but also stand up to Coppell's seasonal weather changes, providing long-lasting security and peace of mind. Enhanced glass protection. Many homeowners love the look of glass-paneled doors, but these can present a security risk if not chosen and installed correctly. With expert guidance, you can select doors with impact-resistant or laminated glass that is much harder to break. Professional installers also ensure that the glass is properly sealed and reinforced within the frame, so you don't have to sacrifice style for security. This means you can enjoy natural light and aesthetic appeal while still protecting your home. Reducing everyday vulnerabilities. Older doors often warp, sag, or develop cracks over time, making them easier to bypass. Even if you've invested in a new, high-quality door, improper installation can create the same risks. Expert installers address these vulnerabilities by ensuring your door is aligned, balanced, and reinforced. They also use professional-grade sealants and hardware that help maintain the integrity of the installation for years. This attention to detail prevents small issues from turning into major security concerns down the road. Added value and peace of mind. Investing in professional door installation isn't just about immediate protection, it's also about long-term value. Secure, properly installed doors improve your Coppell home's resale appeal, as buyers increasingly look for properties with strong safety features. Most importantly, professional installation gives you peace of mind. You'll know that your doors aren't just visually appealing but also working hard to keep your family and property safe. Conclusion: stronger security starts with expert installation for Coppell homeowners. Protecting your home begins with the basics, and your doors are one of the most essential security features you have. By investing in expert door installation, you ensure that your entryways are reinforced, properly fitted, and designed to stand up to both intruders and the elements. It's a simple upgrade with powerful benefits: stronger security, better durability, and lasting peace of mind. When it comes to keeping your family safe, expert door installation is an investment that pays off every single day.